Hello friends, this is Dory Haruska with Forever Quilting. I hope you have enjoyed the video series on how I quilted the new pattern called Glory Days by Sew Cherished. When quilting applique blocks, sometimes the hardest part is figuring out what designs to stitch on top of the applique. Larger pieces like this basket cannot be left without some type of stitching on top. My favorite designs for baskets would be some form of straight lines, like parallel lines, cross-hatching lines, or even an actual basket weave design are all great designs to use to add texture but not take away from the applique itself. Also, by using straight lines, they usually contrast with the background filler designs next to them. For the background filler, I chose a combination of designs. Circles are one of the easiest designs to squeeze in between the applique, but I did not want the entire block to be circles. So instead, I quilted some large curls in the space just beyond the applique. matter how many times I plan out my continuous path, there is always a chance I will run out of bobbin thread in the middle of a block and have to start over. So instead of cutting this section out of the video, like I usually do, I thought I would show you what it takes to secure your threads and start again. First, I start by pulling the bobbin thread up using the non-pointy end of the needle. Sometimes I turn the needle around if I really need to get a hold of the threads. This thread really does bury itself into the fabrics, so you just have to patiently pick the threads out until you have enough length to tie a knot and bury the threads. Patience is very important for this step. I will usually unpick until I get back to a corner or somewhere where the start and stops will show the least. Then I tie a knot about 1/8 inch from the fabric. Thread the needle. And with your hand under the quilt, so you make sure your needle is not coming through to the back of the quilt, insert the needle in the same hole where the thread came out of the fabric. Pull until you hear a pop, which tells you that the knot is now inside the fabric sandwich. Bring your new bobbin thread up and continue sewing. You will go back later and bury those threads in the same way. Have you ever ran out of bobbin thread in the middle of a block? How did you handle it? Just leave a comment below and be sure to watch part 6 for more machine quilting inspiration.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you don't miss the next video coming out soon.